That's Pearl Harbor.
Yeah. If someone didn't know that, that'd be pretty sad. Especially if they were Americans. See an aircraft carrier down there. Looks like the classic one with the single flight deck.
Oh, there's the Hickam Air Force Base.
Oh, yep. The 707s or KCs something. Well, I think the air base is actually part of the actual airport. Oh, I saw like I just saw an Air Force One type plane.
We'd like to welcome you to the Honolulu International Airport on the island of Oahu. Local time here in Honolulu is approximately 2:10 p.m. For your continued comfort as well as safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all your carry-ons properly stowed until the captain has brought this aircraft to its complete and final stop at the terminal. Before leaving us today, do check about your immediate area as well as in the overhead compartments for any articles you may have brought with you. Do use caution when opening the overhead compartments as your items may have shifted during our flight.